Hello and welcome back to Tears of the Kingdom! This is episode, I don't know, 17? That is definitely a Boko in there. Look at him, he's frozen solid. I have a feeling I'm gonna end up being there. Hup. Go Link, climb! You can climb it, Link! Hup! Keep climbing, Link, you're so good! Hup! Yeah, we made it! We made it! We made it all the way up. All the way up. Okay, now there's Toolin. Toolin! Your father is very angry at you. Toolin's dad does angry. Angry dad. What the heck? Whoa, my mic's a little crackly. 1 second. Okay, nope, not better. Is this better? That's better. Okay, it was just a little too crackly, too much breathing on my mic, I guess. You see, that rotten monster took my good bow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 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 You got your bow stolen by a 1 HP monster. You can't just fly up there and poke it with an arrow? Literally poke it? You could literally just poke it. Poke. Like, boop. Like what makes me do that noise on my... that's cool. Okay. That's gonna be a lot useful.
All set.
Yahoo! Badoing! Oh man, I hit it. Yeah! I hit the evil monster that had Toolin's bow. Okay, Toolin has her bow now.
Oh.
Now, let's fight these monsters. Yeah, more monsters. Wow, very surprising. I definitely did not expect that. I still don't understand why there's this crackling. Maybe my volume's set too loud. Maybe I should just turn down my own volume and I'll... Oh, yeah, the crackling's a bit better now. That's better. Okay, I think I fixed it. Let's kill them. Kill the monsters. You aren't gonna survive. Nah. Whack, whack, whack. And that guy. Oh. Take these. Oh, you're next? No one told you were next? The next one to perish. Well, now that we've dealt with them. Yes, we did do it, Toolin. Yes, I do believe you are right. What the psychedelic squigglies? I still don't entirely understand why it gets like that. I've technically speaking, on the final boss fight in my main save, so. Hello there. Secondary boss of the Rito. That's what I think he is, right? Hearth, secondary boss of the Rito. Yeah, obviously. Yes, work with someone else, Toolin. Don't be like Rivali and work alone and get killed by a giant goo monster. Yes, it does seem like him. Princess Zelda. And she zooms above the cloud. This seems strange. Suspicious. Suspicious activities incoming. I highly expect that that's not actually what happened. I bet it isn't even Zelda. Well, you're allowed now. You're allowed now. You think the blizzard is coming out of the giant storm? You only just realized that the blizzard is coming out of the giant storm cloud. That thing's huge. How do you not realize that's where the blizzard is coming from? Are they dumb? The Rito are very smart. Yeah, of course you can't get up there because of the strong winds. But I can. I can make it up there. Because she has magic wind gusts. Oh. This is gonna be the bit where it's like, yeah, your dad actually complimented you. Now he wants you to do some cool stuff. Yeah, be a good kid. Okay, go to space. Yep.
Oh.
Sure. Counting on me is probably not the best idea because I have warped out of places for no reason whatsoever. Just because I want to. Now, let's try to get up this cliff. Honestly, I always forget about ascend, and now I'm now like constantly like, must ascend, must ascend, must ascend. So yeah, let's see here. No, Toolin, you don't get in the way of a guy jumping up a cliff, especially when he has a giant stabby thing on his back. I could literally stab you on accident. Now I gotta recharge my stamina though, so I'm slow. Link, stop being slow. Yeah, be a good Link. Sprint up the cliff. Sprint up the face of a cliff! Oh, look at the poor little guy. Oh wait, no. This is the perfect opportunity. Just twang, boom. Oh, come on. Twang, boom. Will it work that time? Yes. Now they'll go after each other. Seriously? Dang, 3-shot bow. Yeah, let's go, Toolin. Up. You look different. What's that? Oh, it's like a blue boko. It's the construct version of a blue bow goblin. You don't have to alert any of your friends. I can't carry any more bows. There we go. That one's better. This is my worst bow, so I'm gonna use it. Yep. It's literally a second form of the soldier construct. Now I have to climb up here. Or I assume I have to climb. I don't see anywhere I could stand, so... yeah, climbing looks like the best option. Come on, and... woo! We're up! Link's tired. I should upgrade my stamina, that way Link won't be tired so much. Link, climb. Dang. Wall. Snow makes Link go slow. Look. Fast. Slow. Oh my god. Are they gonna drop boulders on me? I think they're gonna drop boulders on me. Oh, that's one less thing to worry about. Whoa. I want its guts. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Are you sad that I killed your friend? Peace eyeball! Easy. Far too simple. They're literally bigger, better geese. Everything's better except for their hit points, which is the exact same. Hello. Hello there, sir. Let's cross over this way. I'm sure that's what that guy was gonna tell us to do, right? Use Ultra Hand to put the block on top of the other block. Then take the 2 blocks, set them here, closer to the place I need to get to. Climb up them. Recharge my stamina. And then fly across! Why? What? Link! Link! What are you doing? What was that? What? Why didn't you pull out your paraglider? Or jump? I told you to jump. I didn't tell you to just sit there. Why? Linky. That's not what you're meant to do. You're meant to follow my instructions down to the letter, or I could make your life a living hell. Yes! That's what Link's meant to do. Listen to every single thing I say and do it. Not just walk off the blocks. No, jump off the blocks. That's what I was telling you to do. And now we use Ascend again, the ability I always forget about. And I had to look up multiple tutorials on how to get somewhere because I forgot about Ascend's existence. Okay, what if I can go down lower? And nope, that was a waste of time. Okay, let's climb back up here, Link. Oh, wait, actually... Boom! I've beaten the system. Oh, up here? Link just has to bang his head on a bunch of rocks. Oh, I see the next ascend spot. At least if I'm meant to ascend, this is where I'll ascend. What the? What? I don't know if that's just my TV being weird, or my recording software, but it keeps like blurring out. It's very strange. What the? Okay, that's so weird. Toolin, how are you able to... How is Toolin breathing out smoke? Or was it my breath? Yeah, Toolin doesn't breathe, look. How are you unable to breathe? How do you not... Send through the pillar all the way to the top. And up there. Whoop. And over here? Yep. Ooh, I'm in a new island chain. The Rising Island Chain. It sounds so self-established. This is where you saw Zelda?
Oh?
You sure you saw Zelda here? It's a boat. What do you think it is, Toolin? It's a magic flying sky boat. Toolin, what is it?
Oh?
Look at that! It's a boat! Yeah, it's a boat.
Oh?
More psychedelic yellow wigglies. Come. Mysterious ghost voice telling us to come to it. So there's someone up there. Oh, that's a bigger boat. A really big boat. The Stormwind Arc story. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh!
Uh-huh. Yes. Yes, I heard it too. Maybe. Maybe she did. Oh, we're going up here now. Up, 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 up. And up, 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 up. Okay, so I don't see any other way across, so simplest answer? Yep, it's a bounce pad. What's down there? nothing. I thought there was something glowing red down there. Very strange. This is a shrine. I won't do it. Well, that seems like a good place to leave off for now. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye!